What is up internet people, Renaxelo here. Today I've got a brand new monitor which just come out on the market and I'm sure it will blow your mind. So without further ado, let's unbox and review this 27-inch gaming monitor by KOORUI. Let's go! So this is the box of the monitor and it looks really cute, isn't it? It is my first time to meet the first brand that gives a cute sticker on the outside box of their brand. Okay, now we are going to take this out and let's see what we have here. Here comes the manual book. I think it's important to read it first before you operate the monitor. And we have a power cable, also the DisplayPort cable, which is very nice. And this should be our stand. And there's another part of our stand. I think it should be so easy to install it. All we need to do is to adjust this bolt. And there's another part of our stand, and we're going to click them both. I think this is a great quality stand because I can feel the weight, it's very solid. Also the paint looks really fancy. And then let's look at what's underneath this cork. And this is our big baby. Before we take it out, let's get the stand ready first. After that, we take the monitor out. It's quite a bit hard to pull it off, but you have to be polite since it's a new thing for you. So finally we've pulled off the monitor. So the next thing we have to do is to take out the plastic. After we take the monitor out, let's install the stand on the back to the monitor. And make sure everything line up and just push it in. It will click and lock in place. And then let's place it here and review it. Wow, this is a very beautiful monitor and the setup was really easy peasy. The design is very cute and minimalistic for a new brand. It looks very slim and the border of the monitor is super thin. Also, there's a unique black hole design on the back of the monitor along with the blue line LED looks, which really makes the back of the monitor cool. If it was a real LED, the price is gonna be over than this one. But that would be pretty sick. Also the monitor has 13-inch height and 24 inches length. And the material of the monitor panel is plastic. And with a matte finishing, it looks pretty fancy. The material of the pole is metal, so it's very solid. There are lots of positions where you can adjust the monitor, like higher to lower or vice versa. Also you can adjust the rotation, which is 90 degree. Also you can adjust it to the left and right. For the I/O, we have one HDMI 1.4, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, audio, and this monitor is 27-inch with the fastest IPS panel, QHD or 2K, 1 millisecond GTG response time along with G-Sync and FreeSync, and the color accuracy is DCI-P3 90%. Which equal to 100 sRGB. Let's now try the monitor and see how it looks. Let's place it first on my studio desk. Now we are going to install all of the cables on behind of the monitor and connect it to the PC. Done. Now we are going to try to play a game like Genshin Impact and Dota 2.
Wind strike.
So that's all my review and unboxing video today. This monitor is worth to have in 2022 because it doesn't get hot easily, and also it's really good for gaming and productivity purposes. And the screen quality is quite balanced, so it won't get your eyes tired so easily. I think that's all the information that I can give to you all. Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.